Hello guys. Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to give you tips on how to have an active group on Roblox. Let's get started. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Tip number 1. Make clothing ranks. Making clothing ranks is a great way to get your members to interact and support your group. It's very easy to make ranks. They cost 25 Robux but are worth it once you start getting members in those ranks. To create a new rank, go into Configure Group, then Roles. Click Create Role and type in the name and description if you want. For the rank, 1 is the lowest rank and 254 is the highest. You'll want to organize your ranks from highest to lowest, so put 1 then work your way up to the highest rank. Assuming you're making a new group, you'll have to use your own Robux if you don't have any in the group funds. If you do, I suggest you use that Robux instead. Don't worry if nobody is buying enough for those ranks. As you grow, I promise you people will want to be ranked up your group. In your group description, put the ranks people can rank up to and the amount of clothing you need to be ranked up. Also put something that tells members their inventory needs to be open and to post on the group wall once they have bought the item. Tip number 2. Interact with members via COD's Question of the Day. Questions of the day are little questions that you can ask your members on the group shout to communicate and get to know your fans. You can ask your members their favorite food, color, sport, and so much more. You can also give them riddles and trivia questions if you wish. It's an amazing way to gain active members, and it's very fun to have a conversation with those who support you. Tip number 3. Ask for clothing suggestions. Let your members suggest new clothing pieces for your group. It could give you new ideas that you didn't think of before. It will guarantee you at least one sale and let others see that it's okay to suggest new clothing pieces. That's it for today's video. Hope this helped and you enjoyed this video. Sorry for not posting last week. We've been really busy with school lately, so sorry about that. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. See you all later.